Welcome to Init Apparel. Whether you're ordering a sample or placing a wholesale order from our local wear selection, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Start by visiting www.initapparel.co.za. Click on the Order Now button at the top right of the page. Next, click Order Online to be redirected to our local wear ordering page. Now, select a category. The core range includes our classic premium t-shirts, oversized t-shirts, hoodies, and sweaters, while the custom range features unique styles like activewear, crop tops, and kids apparel. Browse through the selections and choose the garment that best suits your needs. Pick your preferred color, select the sizes needed, and set the quantity. If you're ordering multiple sizes, select Add Another Size to include additional options. If you're ordering blank garments, click Add to Cart. To customize your garment, select Add Design. You can personalize your garment by adding a design, text, or a team name. Now you can choose your preferred branding method. Direct to Garment is great for full color designs with a soft feel. Direct to Film is ideal for solid colors on dark garments. You can also choose embroidery or screen printing, but only on orders of 25 units or more. You can use our design tools if you don't have a design already, or upload your own design by clicking Upload Image. The front print is selected by default, but you can choose a different print area and click Add Design. Ensure your design prints clearly by checking the quality gauge in the Image Properties section. This will let you know if your image resolution is too low. If your design has an unwanted solid background, use the Remove Background option. Use the Positions tab to ensure your design is centered correctly. You can adjust the position and size by hand or by inputting the exact dimensions you require. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Buy to add it to your cart. If you want to create another design, select Start New Design. Otherwise, proceed to checkout. Log in if you already have an account. If not, you'll need to enter your info such as billing address, contact details, and email address. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box, then click Proceed to Shipping Methods. Select your preferred delivery option. Choose National Shipping for standard delivery, or Collection to collect your order from our office. Now all you have to do is complete payments and wait for your locally made custom garments to arrive at your door.